Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello, future YouTube stars. In this video, I will explain how to make an editor in Roblox YouTube Simulator X. An editor in this game is a helpful non-player character that automates the video editing process. This means you won't have to manually click through every editing step yourself. Having an editor saves you a lot of time and boosts your productivity, letting you create more content and earn more in-game currency. It's a crucial step towards becoming the top YouTuber in the game, making your journey much smoother and more efficient. Ready to get your first editor? You'll usually find them available for purchase in the in-game shop, which is often located within your mom's house. A common requirement is to have achieved at least one rebirth before you can buy an editor. They are purchased using your hard-earned in-game currency, like tokens or cash. Always keep an eye on the shop, as new or upgraded editor models might become available, offering better editing speeds and efficiency for your growing YouTube empire. Once you have an editor, setting them up is straightforward. First, place your editor in an available chair within your studio. It's important that the editor is positioned correctly, facing a computer, to start its tasks. You'll need to provide them with SD cards by depositing them into the editor's menu. With SD cards supplied and a computer ready, your editor will automatically begin editing videos and even generate thumbnails, typically processing one click every half-second, making your content creation seamless. To truly maximize your video output, focus on efficiency. Upgrading your in-game computers and editing stations will significantly boost how quickly your editors can work. For even greater productivity, aim to acquire multiple editors, allowing you to process several videos at the same time. Editors will automatically export videos once they've completed a set number of clicks, often around 24, and about 18 clicks for each picture. This streamlined process is vital for quickly gaining subscribers and becoming the most famous YouTuber in the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.